Identify isosceles, equilateral and scalene triangles. Pause the video and have a go at example 4 and 5. Before we begin, we're going to make sure we know these two facts. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, so their sides are the same length, and all angles are 60 degrees, all equal angles. It has to be 180 is the angles in a triangle. If they're all the same size, 180 divided by 3 gives you 60 degrees. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, so these two sides are the same length, and 2 equal angles. If these two sides are the same length, it's the bottom 2 angles that will be the same size. Example 4. We have to find CAB. So what is CAB? It's the angle that's traced out when you go from C to A to B. So that angle there, which is the angle at A here. So let's call that our X. To work out X, we need to know some other angles in the triangle. We can see we've got 132. It's not in the triangle, but it is in a straight line with this angle that is in the triangle. So we could work out that angle. It'll be 180 minus 132, which would give you 48. So this angle in here is 48. Because it's an isosceles triangle, this side here is going to be the same size. It's also 48. And now we've got our 3 angles in the triangle. We could say that the X plus the 48 plus the other 48 makes 180 degrees. Those two 48s make up 96. So if you take that 96 off 180, 180 minus 96 gives you the value for X, and that would be 84. And simple check, 84 plus 48 plus 48, does that give you 180? Example 5, find X. Here we only have one angle in the triangle, and then we've got X, but we know that this angle over here is the same size because it's isosceles, because of their 2 sides the same length. So this one we can call the same, we can call it X. And the 3 angles in the triangle should add to 180. So we can write X plus 110 equals 180. X plus X is the same as 2X. So the 2X's plus the 110 make 180. What would the 2X's make? Well, if we take off 110 from both sides, take 110 from 180, we would see the 2X's are going to be 70 degrees. And then 1X would be half the size. So 1X would be 35. So 35 plus 35 plus 110 should give 180.